Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can use Photon Solana. Photon Solana is a trading platform designed especially for meme coins within the Solana ecosystem. If you're tired of missing out on meme coin runs due to slow trading on platforms like Radium, Photon offers a faster and more efficient way to buy and sell coins. Here's how you can use it. We're going to visit Photon Solana website or just click the link in the description below and then you will be taken to this page. So here, as you can see, first you need to add a Phantom Wallet extension. So we're going to the Chrome Web Store and find Phantom Wallet and you just need to add it to your extension. So right from here, so click this Phantom Wallet or Phantom.app and then click on Add to Chrome and then click this extension and pin this tool right here. And once done, go back to this website and refresh it. And as you can see, you will find the bottom it says connect wallet. Now here you just need to connect your wallet, Phantom Wallet, or you can create or import an existing wallet. You can create a new password and then check the I agree checkbox. And then here, click on continue. Now once done, so you can see once you created or log in with your account, here in the next page, you can see generate and download your Photon trading wallet. So here, all you need to do is click on the generate button to see your wallet and the private key. So what we can do here, you just need to click and drag this to the right to see the private key. And here you just have to make sure to save this and keep it in a secure location. So here, as you can see, final chance to save private key. You will not be able to retrieve it again. So click on I already saved it. And then from here, you will then need to deposit some Solana to your wallet. So all you need to do here, just need to copy right over here and then open Phantom. And then here, click on the send button and then select on Solana. And from here, you just need to enter the amount. Then once you've done, click on next to confirm your transactions. So once you have your money in your wallet, you are now ready to start trading. So this new pair section will show you all the new token pairs that have launched within 24 hours and updated in real time. So if you take a look at the market cap right over here, it actually changed every few seconds. So this new pair section is very useful for finding coins early. So you can get, or you can go to created tab right here to filter to the newest one appear first. Then you can use all the information right over here to determine whether it's good to buy. And if you want to buy then quickly, you can click the quick buy button. So for example, it's 0.03, then you can actually click the buy button and it will buy this coin with Solana. So if you want to find coins that are on pump.fun, you can toggle this on right over here, or you can basically go to this dexes or the settings. So you can select either pump.fun or radium or orca, or just want to pump.fun right over here. And then if you want to get rid of the filters, it shows every coin that gets listed on pump.fun, and you can tell by looking at that symbol right here. So it's a good idea to keep this pump.fun enabled, so that will give you the chance to find coins earlier. Now, what's the best settings for filters? If you're trading pump.fun coins and want to find them earlier, you can lower the market cap and also the volume. So here's the best settings that you can actually do. So first up here, if we go back here, we can check them all or let that pump.fun over here. Go to filter, and the best settings is first up, you can disable mint and mint auth disabled and freeze auth disabled. So if these two are enabled, that means you will be able to find safe coins, but you won't be able to find them early. So make the most profit. So just need to turn this off. Now, as you can see, the LP burn is enabled. So because people should be launching the coin with LP burn, if it's not burned within 5 minutes, it is usually a scam. Now turn off this next, which is the top 10 holders. So to find top 10 holders holding less than 10%. So if you're going to click on the newest pair right here, And then you can check at the bottom right, you will see how much top 10 holds. So as you can see, it's 0.03%. So if turn this on, you wouldn't find this coin and miss out of finding it. Now, next here is the current liquidity. So you will set the buy current liquidity. You will need to set this to 5,000. So you just type right here. And same with the volume and market cap, both set to 20,000. You can just type right here, for example, 5,000 to 5,000 and 20,000 to 20,000. Same with the market cap. And then once you've done customizing the settings, click on apply button. Now here, go to the top right corner and click on the settings. Now let's see all the settings here. Let's customize. First up is the slippage. As you can see here, how much less tokens you're willing to receive from a trade due to price volatility. So we're going to change this into 15%. So that means if you bought coin that was worth $1 and the slippage is set to 15%, that coin could go down to 85%. So before transaction fails, and this is only for transactions pending. Next is the priority fee. It should be 0.01. So this to make your transaction go faster. And then the smart MEV protection, this will be disabled. And the bribery account, as you can see, now leave this set to 0.01. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, just customize. Here on the presets, you can customize depending on how much Solana you want to trade with. So you need to figure out here the lowest amount of Solana that you'll spend on a coin. So for example, I'm going to set this from 0.25 to 0.2. So these are all the presets amounts that you can use. So if you're trading a bigger size, you obviously will need to increase this. And the same with the trading with lower size, you can lower it down. And once done, click on the save button right from here at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Now, let's say you found a coin and it's interesting to you and you wanted to look at more. So for example, I'm going to go back right from here. And then for example, I'm going to click this information. Then here you will see the full chart and you will be able to see all the transactions. You will find here your holdings as well as the top traders and all the holders. And this tab is very useful for finding information. On the right side, as you can see here, you will find all the information about the coin, including the name, what price it is, liquidity, market cap, and you can see here the buys and sell, which can be also useful, and you can receive in the past 24 hours up to even 5 minutes. Now, for example, you want to buy this coin, so go down here on Bybit and select one of the presets that we set earlier. And here, for example, I'm going to the amount to buy. So this box right here, and I'm going to type, for example, 0.001. Right? Then simply click on a quick buy. And once the transaction is set, you now already brought it. Now go to sell tab, then set this to 100%, and it will allow us to sell all of our coins, and you can click on quick sell to see your coin. And here you will also find some useful information. You can see data and security tab. As you can see here, the mint authority disabled, freeze authority disabled, LP burn to 100%. So we have the information. Now going back to the new pairs tab, here you can also see the trending. So right from here on the right side of the new pairs tab, this trending, and this will show you the top 100 trending tokens pairs as you can see on your screen. So this page will allow you to see coins that are currently doing well and trending. And this can be a great way to make money, and you can confidently put higher amount and you may be able to profit with size. And you can go also here on holding tab, and here you will see all of the coins which you've bought and sold through Photon. And you will see how much profit and loss you've made on the coin. Here you can manage your coins, and if you have positions open, simply click on the sell button at the right hand side. Then here you can choose how much you want to sell. So that's how you basically use this Photon Solana, how you can set up your account, how you can make a trade and earn money, or you can get money using this Photon Solana. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.